Hi, and welcome to the Scene Master presentation video, in which we are going to see how to use the tool and how are the benefits of using it in your project. First, we are going to talk a little bit about the tool. This is a scene manager and loader. The tool gets the reference of the scenes of your project and returns you a list of buttons with the scene references for load them in the editor mode with a simple interface. This is a really helpful feature for quickly load your scenes without all that waste of time when your project has so much folders and so much scenes, so you spend a lot of time in finding the scenes that you want to load. With a simple button, you have access to your scene in just a couple of seconds. And this is great, but it is not all. You can manage your scenes in play mode too. So the tool has also a script called button scene selector. For add to your buttons, and with a simple enum, you can select any of the scenes that you want to load and simply add the method load a scene of this script to the on-click event of the button. With these two features, you can save a lot of time. Believe me, I use it all the time. It is very, very simple to use and so intuitive. So you don't have to waste a lot of time too in learn how to use it. Okay, so now let's see how to use the tool in Unity. So first of all, let's import the packets. I already have done this part, so I just imported everything. And in the folders here we have the package.json with the versions info, etc. The PDF with the documentation. And here we have the three main folders of the tool with the editor script, the runtime with all the important files. And finally, the test folder with here we have our example scenes. So first, load the test scene one. I have already loaded, so let's see. Okay, now we can open the Scene Master prefab here, as you can see, and we have the prefab with our scene management prepared. With the three scenes already attached, I have the scenes attached, but in your project, you cannot use this feature until you first add these three scenes to your build settings. So let's go to the build settings and just add the three scenes. Okay, so when you have this done, you can now go back to the scene management, and if you don't see the scenes, just refresh the build scenes, and then you have done this part. So now just simply press any button of any scene, just simply, for example, the test the scene master 2. And as you can see, I load the scene 2 in editor mode. I go to the scene master 3. So now I'm in the scene 3. So as I said, I think this is, in my opinion, a time saver. So it is very, 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 very great. So let's go to the next part. So now imagine you want to add another scene. So you can simply create a new one. And now we are going to add this scene to the build settings. So let's open the build settings and add it. And that is for the tool can refresh the scenes. So now go back to the scene master, and for updates the scenes correctly, open the scene master prefab and now remove the script because we want the prefab to detect the change. And now we simply add it again, the script, for it updates the scenes. And if you doesn't open the prefab, you can do the same and then override the prefab for save it. And that's all. Okay, so that's all for the scenes editor loading part. Now let's see these buttons in the scene. Okay, and here we have the button scene selector script, as you can see, with our scenes selected here in the Xenon. So in the on click, we just add the load method of the script. So it's very simple. We can change this for the new scenes we just created, and let's try it. So here can see how the tool loads the scene if we play the button, the play game. Okay, and now in the button just press it, and here it is, our scene loaded. It's as simple as that. Now you can go for your own and use this tool in your projects. I hope this video was helpful. So this is the end for now. See you in future tool videos, and bye.